timers are these kitchen timers, and the reason is because they're magnetic, they stand up, and they count down, and they're inexpensive. So I have an example here, right? But wait, something's going on. Why isn't my timer making noise? Well, there's a little trick or a hack that I came up with. What I did was I took the timer, and this one turns on, you can hear it, right? Right, you can hear it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn off the sound. I know what you're thinking, but don't we want the sound so the students know when to move? And I'm like, yes, but a room of 26 timers going off at one time could drive you crazy. So here's what you do, is you go and you unscrew all 6 screws in the back, and it takes like about 2 minutes to do. All right. You open it up. Now again, you hear how it's beeping. You open it up, and inside I have a little sound. Basically the sound for the timer. There are 2 cords going in and out. Be careful, don't pull the wrong one. No, I'm just kidding. Just disconnect one of them. So you just disconnect it. Now you go and you screw it back together, and it still works. You see how my timer is still working? But no longer is there any sound. So the hardest part is just taking the time to unscrew and then put them back together. But I'm telling you, it is worth it, because then you have timers that do not make a sound. I wrote a blog post talking about the power of timers, how to deploy the timers, and even what a teacher timer and the power of using a teacher timer when the students are moving at their self-pace. So make sure you go take a look at that blog post. Increase student agency by allowing students to move at their own pace through the different learning studios. It makes such an impact on student achievement, student growth, and it decreases behaviors.